Okay, so we went out today and asked a few people what good habit that they either have ingrained or that they'd like to add to their lifestyle. People at the gym, people who are running, could it be about nutrition, could be about fitness. Ang tanong is, gaano ba katagal to develop a new habit into your lifestyle so that it's more sustainable? If you know we don't rely on motivation, we should be relying on discipline or habit. Okay? So ask yourself, what habit would you like to add to your lifestyle so that you become healthier and you achieve your fitness goals?
Good habit, no? The good habit yan. Pinipilit ko, at least kahit super busy, I'm a businesswoman, working mom, tapos at the same time, full-time mom din ako. Pero I'll make sure na sinisingit ko yung pag-workout, yung pag-exercise. At least 3 times a week, pinipilit ko na makapag-workout. And hindi naman kailangan na pupunta ka pa sa gym para mag-workout. You can do home workout din naman. Pwede ka rin manood lang sa TV, gaya-gaya ka lang doon. Yun, that's it.
Okay, one good habit na gusto ko gusto ko lang siya ipagpatuloy, dire-diretso lang hanggang sa magkaedad ako. Hanggang sa siguro di na kayanin. Pero okay lang naman, okay lang. Tumatanda naman talaga tayong lahat.
Good habit, yung good sleep because of my work na rin.
The good habit po, yun nga po, yung pag-workout ko po para po ma-boost po yung confidence ko. I like that about myself.